know why it's not showing live in my phone. Oh yeah. Okay. Very good morning, everyone. Hi, Nishi. Hi, Debashmita. Hi, Geeta. Good morning. Good morning. I can see a lot of people with full energy. That is amazing. So, how was your day, guys? How was your day? How did your day start? Were you eagerly waiting for the class? Yeah. Hi, Shaurya. Hi, Ayushi. Hi, Rekha. Hi, Nikhil. And hi, please take my name. Hi, let's know. Hi, Suhani. Hi, Shaurya. You're in 7th standard, okay? And hi, Geeta. Hi, Sakshi. Hi, Kavya. Hi, Nishi. And welcome to the class, everyone. Welcome to the class. I hope all of you had an amazing, energetic morning, had a yummy, yummy breakfast, and are sitting here. Call in all your friends because we're going to do this one short revision of the entire chapter of data handling. So welcome to my club. Welcome to the club, everyone. I hope everybody is super duper energetic. Menti zarur hoga. Vaishnavi, Menti will definitely be there. So I'm going to start the session with a quick introduction about myself. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here in Vedantu. I have done my master's in mathematics, so you know the love I have towards the subject, and I want to imbibe the same kind of love in each and every student out there. So let's begin the session. First, I want to thank each and every one of you for so much love and support towards this channel. Thank you so much for 500, 500,000 subscribers. We will soon hit 1 million if you continue to support us and love us the same way as you've been doing all these years. So thank you so much for the support. You people are the moving factor of this particular channel. It's your channel, and thank you so much for giving us a 500,000 subscribers. You people are the best. Something really fun is going to come up today at 1 p.m. Like after the session, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Okay? 1 o'clock, set your reminders. We all are going to come together. It's going to be super duper fun. So call in all your friends who do not know about this particular channel on YouTube. Tell them, spread the word. Let's make this channel grow together. Right? All of you are also a part of this channel. So yes, RG Center is back. Hello, RG Center. And hi, Zainab. I'm doing great. How are you? Hi, Rishika. Congratulations. Congratulations to you too, because you are also part of this amazing family, right? So guys, let's get started. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, haripriya.vedantu. A lot of fun activities happen there. We can go live. We can talk to each other there. And then everything, all the updates, when will my classes be, my micro courses on Vedantu, everything will be given out there, right? So do not forget to follow me on Instagram at haripriya.vedantu. Cool. So we were starting off with data handling, one of the most easiest chapters. And what is more important in the chapter? Pie chart. So this is a quick meme, life of a gamer. I know a lot of students here are gamers. Give me a heart. Gamers matlab ye PUBG, 4G, I don't know what, counter, something. I don't know. My brother also keeps playing. I don't know what they call and all. But yeah, everybody who is a gamer, the rage with which they play, I have to kill the other opponent, I have to win the game, is lot rather than killing. Killing is only less, and deaths will be also more than killing, right? I don't know how many of you can relate to it, but yes, I can see Kumar, Praveen, Seema, device player, player is there in his name, Ajita, studies by Janvi, okay, a lot of Sanjeev, amazing. A lot of you are gamers here, so you must be relating it to it. The rage with which you enter into the into the game and all of that, right? So good morning, everyone. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you're new, please make sure that you are subscribing to the channel. Do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up to the video, which shows how much you people love me and the channel, right? And share this video because it's a one short revision. मतलब एक सेशन में हम पूरा डेटा हैंडलिंग का जो भी आपको जरूरी है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में, everything that we will be doing in today's class will be important for your exams. Okay, So share this session with someone who you think will be helpful, who is facing difficulties with online classes and all of that. YouTube to free hai, so do not forget to share this particular video, any video from the channel. 150 watching, that is amazing. Guys, where are 150 likes? Sif 98 likes. Chalo 150 kar do. Let's start the session. Come on, make it 150 likes. I want all of you to like the video if you haven't liked it yet. Please tell homework superstars. Yes, I will tell you homework superstars. I've come up with a different strategy today. But before that, breaking news, my pro exclusive micro courses have already started and are there on the website. Do not forget to enroll for pro subscription first, and then you will get all these micro courses for free. Yes, I believe there are other micro courses also that you can take without the pro subscription. But हमने सोचा चलो इतने हमारे सारे अच्छे अच्छे बच्चे प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हैं तो उनके लिए कुछ अलग सा करना पड़ेगा, उनके लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ेगा. So that's how we have come up with this pro exclusive micro courses. My micro courses will be visible. Nabamita ma'am, Pritesh sir, Firdaus ma'am, Surabhi ma'am, Mohan sir, Priya ma'am, सबके आपको pro exclusive micro courses मिलेंगे throughout the year, and not everybody has access to it. Only students with pro subscription. अगर आपके पास pro subscription है तो तब आपको ये सारे micro courses free में मिल जाएंगे, है ना? How can you enroll? There is a link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Click on that link and use the coupon code YHPRO. मैं जल्दी से आपको वो what do you call it लिंक दिखा देती हूँ. ये मेरा पिछले क्लास का वीडियो है. दिस इज माय प्रीवियस क्लास वीडियो वेयर वी स्पोक अबाउट प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो अगर आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी सीखना है तो देख लेना. 17th of July को हुआ था. एंड इन दैट डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स यू कैन सी वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन. Click on that link, you can enroll. I will talk about the benefits that you will be having and all of that later, but we're going to start with the session first. ठीक है? पर वहाँ पे link है description box में, तो you can click on that and enroll. Cool? So Super Kids reward batches are here. It's a level up motivation. The last class we had Khushi on top of the leaderboard. That's amazing, Khushi. Great work. And then we had Rishita Gupta, that is RG Center, at the bottom of the leaderboard. Hi Dhruv, good morning. Ishmita. Hi Mansi. Yes, regular student, I remember you, Mansi. Okay. So, yes, aim of Vedantu, you are right. Who is that? Prem, you're correct. Okay. So, Rishita Gupta was at the bottom of the leaderboard. Okay, what happened here? Okay, चारवी अग्रवाल का and RG Center का नाम थोड़ा mix हो गया है. But yeah, so these are the so these are the names that we have. We have Charvi Agarwal, RG Center, Avika, and Yash and Suhani. These are the top 5 students who have given the first correct answer, right? And कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया slide में. Everything is all haywire. I don't know why. Anyways, then we had Rani, Manaswi, Dhanashri, Anya, and Naveen. You will not find these names in the top 10, but these 5 people have put extra efforts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 people, students, that is Rani Shiva, Manasvi, Dhanashri, Anay Gaming World, and Naveen. These 5 people have put extra efforts. They explained the answer also. Why is the answer 1 by 2? They explained it as well. So I'm going to give claps for all those extra efforts. You people are doing great. If you're watching this session right now, give me a hearts, okay? Surabhi ma'am was like, there was a class and I want 50 people are watching, and she's like, I want 200 likes. Kaise hoga? Okay. So yes, so hats off. So I will be also acknowledging. मैंने सोचा कि top 10 students तो boring हो जाएगा. Everybody will just try to copy sometimes. तो मैं सोच रही थी कि anybody who gives a detailed explanation, extra effort डाल के detailed explanation भी दे रहा है comment section में, so I will take their name as well. So the last 5 names are those. Thank you so much for the detailed explanations here. And we have 195 students. That is amazing. That's crazy. Good. So चलो. 195 likes तो नहीं है, ठीक है, कोई नहीं, पर like कर देना वीडियो को, ठीक है? Okay. So do you all know how to play cards? Do you all know how to play cards? Yeah, not the Uno cards. Uno cards नहीं, the playing cards, the पत्ते. हाँ, ताज पत्ते. Do you know how to play them? Yes, no, yes, No? Okay, lot of you are saying yes, lot of you are saying no. Hi Aishwarya, hi Shreya, hi Shaurya. Okay, now, so today you can wait till the end of the session and learn the math behind this playing cards and increase your chances of winning the game. Yes, there is maths behind it. There is a topic called probability behind it, which I am going to explain so that you can use this next time when you're playing cards, which has something to do with probability. मतलब which has something to do कि अगला card कौन सा डालेगा. You can predict that card. So wait till the end of the session and you will be definitely having those tricks in your hand which will increase your chances of winning. Right? चलो. So आज हम करने वाले हैं data handling का one short revision where we will be covering all the topics. What is that? So by the end of the session, you will know what is a pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph, how to draw a pie chart, how to read a pie chart, what is probability, everything you will be knowing. Uske साथ ही we will be having our live mentee also. So let us get started. Okay, I'm trying to do the GIF and then she does this. Okay. So आज होमवर्क दोगे? डेफिनेटली होमवर्क दूंगी मैं आज. ठीक है, आज का बहुत ही फन होमवर्क क्वेश्चन है. आई वुड लव टू रीड ऑल योर कमेंट्स, ऑल योर आंसर्स. ठीक है, एंड गाइज रिमेंबर आई पर्सनली रीड ऑल द कमेंट्स अंडर माय वीडियो. ठीक है, अच्छे बुरे सब पढ़ती हूँ मैं एंड आई ट्राई टू रिप्लाई टू द फनी कमेंट्स ऑल्सो. सो अगर आपको कुछ फनी कमेंट डालना है, इफ यू वांट टू राइट एनीथिंग इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, यू कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड डू इट. आई विल ट्राई टू रिप्लाई. ठीक है, चलो. Thank you, Mansi. Thank you. Yes, 1 million. Very soon we're going to hit 1 million. So show some love. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. So first ho gaya pictograph, right? What is a pictograph? A pictograph uses pictures to show the collected data. Come on, I want all of you to concentrate. We will quickly revise everything that we did in data handling. उसके बाद mentee करेंगे, ठीक है? Mentee में भी बहुत अच्छे questions है. So let's see who wins today's mentee. So pictograph is a graphical representation where it's not a graphical representation, it's a representation where we write data, where we represent data in form of pictures या images and not numbers. For example, John के यहाँ पे 2 balls है, Sam के 2 balls and a quarter. Like here in Mary 1, 2, 3, 4 and half a ball, right? So instead of writing numbers, we represent them with an image and then we tell that one ball in the picture actually represents 20 games. मतलब John ने कितने games खेले? 20 plus 20. So John has played 40 games. If quarter, मतलब ये जो दिख रहा है only quarter represents 5 games. Okay. So here 20 plus 20 and only 5. So कितने हो गए? 45. So now you tell me, how many games did Alex play? You tell me in the chat box, how many games did Alex play? Simran Kaur, you're too sweet. 45, 55, क्या है? सोच समझ के बोलो. Amazing, amazing. A lot of you are giving the correct answer. It is 20 plus 20, which is 40. 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15. So that is equal to 55. So Alex has played 55 games. ये जो half दिख रहा है आपको, ये है 20 plus 5. Sorry, 10 plus 5, 50. Right? So Alex has played 55 games altogether. तो ये हो गया आपका pictograph, which is a graphical representation. तो हम ये पिक्टोग्राफ, बार ग्राफ, डबल बार ग्राफ ये कर क्यों रहे हैं? Why are we doing this? In a way, we are organizing the data in these particular forms. तो important क्यों है organizing? Because organizing data, अगर आप अच्छे से organize करोगे, it gives us the exact information that we are looking for. So why does your mom or dad keep going behind you and say कि clean your table, clean your room, अच्छे से रखो, organize करके रखो? Why? Because whenever you want something from your room, maybe it can be a tie, it can be a pen, it can be some book. जब आप organize करके अच्छे से रखोगे, तभी तो time पे मिलेगा आपको. then you will know, acha, tie I have hanged it behind my door, book is in the bookshelf, socks are there in the tray, right? So that's why organizing data is important, so that we can get the exact information that we are looking for. It also helps us reducing the data loss and reduces the error also. तो सोचो स्कूल शुरू हो गया है और आपको टाई नहीं मिल रहा है और बाहर बस वेट कर रहा है आपके लिए, तो व्हाट हैपेंड, यू आर इन अ पैनिक कि टाई नहीं मिल रहा है, बाहर बस वेट कर रहा है. So it reduces the error time also. You can directly get the correct information at the right time. And data organizing also helps you understand why data was collected and what was the, okay, why, what, ठीक है. It also helps us understand why was the data collected and what information, what is the information that we were looking for. Okay, अगर आप किसी को भी वो data दिखा दो, they'll just read and they're like, अच्छा इस पे marks है ना? So it gives us an exact information even though you do not know anything about the data. So bottom of this, the bottom line of the story is organizing data is super important. Now let's see data organized for types of pets owned by 30 different families. तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक data लिखा है, सब कुछ tabulated in one form. So it's very easy. If I ask how many people own a lizard, who owns a lizard? मैं तो भाग जाती हूँ रूम से lizard को देखते. तो there is one family who owns a lizard, right? So you will get the exact information कि कितने लोगों के पास goldfish है, snake है, rabbit है, dog है ना? You will know the exact information. इसीलिए organizing is very important. Now let's move on to bar graph. What is a bar graph? It is a graphical representation of data. We do it on the bar graph and we do it using bars of equal width. Width का मतलब क्या है? I'm going to draw the width here. So this is the width. This is the width. So the width of every bar graph is the same width. Same width होगा सब पे. But heights अलग-अलग है. Height अलग-अलग क्यों है? क्योंकि frequencies अलग है. Peanut butter cookie is loved by 10 students. So इसीलिए इसका height 10 तक जा रहा है. Chocolate chip cookie is liked only by 8 students. तो इसीलिए इसका height 8 तक जा रहा है. So depending upon the data, the numbers of the data, the frequency, the heights of the bar graph also keep changing. But the width of the bar graph will be the same. Yes, the breadth or the width will be the same. ठीक है? So please make sure you remember this point. Width will be equal, but different height होगा according to the data values. Those data values are called as frequency. Now bar graph का बड़ा भाई है double bar graph. तो ये double bar graph क्यों use करते हैं? It is also a graphical representation of data, but when we have two sets of data, अगर हमारे पास दो set है data के, boys and girls or men and women or something like that, two different datas that we have, and we have to compare them, then we use double bar graph. It is used mostly when you want to compare something. Okay, so here we are comparing कि ये जो favorite cookies है, snickerdoodle cookies, how many girls like it, how many boys like the same cookie. Chocolate chip cookies, how many girls like it, how many boys like it. We are comparing कि एक chocolate chip cookie is loved by how many girls and how many boys. So we are comparing. So when comparison happens, we use a double bar graph. Okay. उसके बाद आता है tally marks. Tally marks are also called as hash marks, which are unary numerical system. Okay. तो ये बहुत ही पहले use करते थे before numbers got invented. And they are most useful in counting or tallying ongoing result. मतलब two teams are playing and there is goal. तो जब गोल होता है एक टीम का तो यू पुट 1 मार्क. सो इमीडिएटली ऑन गोइंग जब वो चल रहा है गेम तब हम टैली मार्क्स यूज करते हैं, राइट? एंड दिस इज एन इमीडिएट रिजल्ट, नीड टू बी एरेज्ड और डिस्चार्ज. नो इंटरमीडिएट, मतलब जो बार ग्राफ में होता है यू कलेक्ट द डेटा एंड देन यू ड्रॉ द बार ग्राफ. यहाँ पे वो नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे इमीडिएटली जो डेटा आपको आ रहा है यू इमीडिएटली ड्रॉ टैली मार्क्स फॉर इट. So for number 1, number 2, number 3, there are different tally marks. Here is how you represent. 1 के लिए there will be only 1 2 के लिए देयर विल बी, पता नहीं यहाँ पे डेटा अलग दिखा रहा है, एनीवेज 2 के लिए देयर विल बी 2, 3 के लिए देयर विल बी 3, 4 के लिए देयर विल बी 1 2 3 4, है ना. 5 के लिए देयर विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन, राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ यू रिप्रेजेंट. नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. तो ये फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या है? जो हमारे पास डेटा आ रहा है, ठीक है, इन अ टैबुलेटेड फॉर्म, इन अ रॉ फॉर्म, उसको हम इधर ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं. ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है? बार ग्राफ हो गया, पिक्टोग्राफ हो गया, पाई चार्ट हो गया, डबल बार ग्राफ हो गया. एंड अनदर वन इज अ टैबुलर फॉर्म, मतलब टेबल में लिखना. सो सच काइंड्स ऑफ डेटा where we display the observation within a given interval using a table is called as frequency distribution table. So here we take the data which is continuous, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Your continuous data is there. So such continuous data के लिए we use our frequency distribution table and also tally marks. So a lot of you must be thinking, ma'am, ये frequency क्या है? Frequency is how many times a particular thing has occurred during 0 to 5. मतलब 0 to 5 के बीच में कितने लोगों ने 2 marks लाए हैं? So maybe 5 people. So the number of times a particular thing has occurred, has happened, is called as frequency. Now let's talk about the class intervals. ये जो 0 to 10, 10 to 20, ये जो continuous classes है, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. तो 0 to 10, 10 to 20, ये जो left side पे values लिखे हैं, the left ones are called as lower class limits. What are they called? They are called as lower class limits. And to the right side that we have drawn are called as upper class limits. Okay? So in this particular range, 0 to 10, 0 has the least value, so it is the lower limit. 10 has the highest value, so it is the upper limit. Between 20 to 30 again, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit, है ना? So the difference between the lower limit and upper limit is called as the class size, which is also called as the width of the class. Class size, upper limit minus lower limit. It will be the same. 20 minus 10, यहाँ पे 10 है, यहाँ पे 10 है, यहाँ पे 10 है. So the class width, the class size should be the same. Okay? Upper limit minus lower limit. Right? So before we move forward, I can see a lot of you have just joined the session. So thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so much for the 500,000 subscribers on this particular channel, Vedantu Young Wonders. You people are really, really great. Thank you. So if you are new, do not forget to subscribe. Okay? Yes, Priyam, I teach for grade 7th. I teach for grade 6th also. I will tell you how and how can you buy all of that. Okay? तो अगला हो गया हिस्टोग्राम. हिस्टोग्राम इज जो हमने फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखा है, वेयर द डेटा इज कंटिन्यूअस 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, sorry 10 to 15 and so on. जहां पे कंटिन्यूअस डेटा है, वी यूज अ हिस्टोग्राम. तो आपको लगता होगा कि मैम ये जो हिस्टोग्राम है ये तो बार ग्राफ की तरह दिख रहा है, बट नो, बार ग्राफ हैज गैप्स बट हिस्टोग्राम डज नॉट हैव गैप. Why? Because the data is continuous. There is no breakage in the data. So it's a way of representing numerical data using bars. And remember, there is no gaps between the bars. आप देख रहे हो ये continuous है, इनके बीच में कोई gap है नहीं. So that is your histogram used when you have continuous data. अगर हमने शुरू किया है 30 to 35, 35 to 40, तो आप सोच रहे होंगे मैम 30 के बिफोर के वैल्यूज का क्या? वी डू नॉट हैव डेटा फॉर दैट. सो हाउ डू वी रिप्रेजेंट इन द बार ग्राफ? वी रिप्रेजेंट यूजिंग अ जैग्ड लाइन. दिस जैग्ड लाइन विल गिव अस एन इंडिकेशन कि ये जो डेटा बिटवीन 0 to 30 है, बिटवीन 0 to 30 इज मिसिंग. वी डू नॉट हैव द डेटा. सो हाउ डू यू रिप्रेजेंट? यूजिंग दिस जैग्ड लाइन. ये जैग्ड लाइन हमें बताएगा कि द डेटा बिटवीन 0 to 30 इज मिसिंग. वी डू नॉट हैव द डेटा बिटवीन 0 to 30. इसीलिए we are starting from 30. Next, what is a pie chart? So a pie chart is a circular graph. It is also called as a circular graph where we represent data inside a circle, dividing the circle into different sectors. Now these graphs relate to whole data divided into parts. Remember, a circle is full 360 degrees. तो ये जो 360 degree है, we are dividing that into sectors and representing the circular pie chart. Now, how do we divide? How do we read the pie chart? Let's see. How to draw a pie chart. Now, let's take an example here. So, the sports played by students, okay, of a particular class, okay. Favorite sport. Football, 60% of students like it. Cricket, 30% of students like it. Badminton, 10%. तो जब भी आपको ये परसेंटेज में दिया गया है, you have to first convert that into fractions. Yeah. So 60% would be 60 by 100. On simplifying, you will be getting 3 by 5. 30% is 30 by 100. On simplifying, you will get 3 by 10. 10 by 100. On simplifying, you will be getting 1 by 10. Now you have got it into fractions. फिर उसके बाद क्या करना है? You have to convert those fractions into degree because a circle has 360 degree. अगर आपको degree पता है तो आप draw कर सकते हो. How do you change a fraction to a degree? You multiply the fraction with 360 degrees. You multiply the fraction with 360 degree. So 3 by 5 multiplied with 360. Why 360? Because the entire angle is 360. पूरा circle का. Similarly, 3 by 10 into 360, 1 by 10 into 360. So you will be getting the angle which is covered by football, cricket, badminton. So whenever you are having such a data where it is given in terms of percentages, convert that into fraction. After that, convert the fraction into degree by multiplying the fraction with 360. And then you draw the data accordingly. Using a protractor. Use a protractor. Protractor पे आपका 216 degree होगा, 180 degree होगा, 100 degrees होगा. So accordingly, you can draw the pie chart. Right? It will look something like this. Next, we have random experiment. When you toss a coin, we do not know what comes, heads or tails. So you cannot control the outcome. You do not know what is going to happen. So such experiments are called as random experiments. When all the outcomes have equal chances of occurring, it is called as equally likely outcomes. So when you toss a coin, you can get heads. So 50% chance that you will get heads, 50% chance you will get tails. So there's 50-50%, there's equal chance. So such are called as equal chances to happen. Okay. So there comes probability. What is it? It is a measure of likelihood of an event to occur. मतलब a chance that an event might happen is called as probability. एक number मिलेगा आपको, ठीक है? 10% probability, 10% नहीं, 1/2 probability, 1/3 probability. So that number will tell you the chance of something to happen. Many events cannot be predicted with total certainty. अगर बाहर clouded है यहाँ पे, तो you can't say कि आज पक्का बारिश होगा. What if the clouds clear out and there is no बारिश, है ना? तो you cannot tell with total certainty कि yes, it will rain. And we can predict only the chance of the event to occur. मतलब कितना हो सकता है. तो you can say शायद बारिश हो सकता है. You can just use the word शायद, right? You cannot say कि आज बारिश जरूर होगा. Okay? And remember, probability always lies between 0 and 1. It cannot be less than 0. It cannot be greater than 1. It always lies between 0 and 1 only. Equal probability को हम बोलते हैं equally likely to happen. Okay? If I say, what is the chance that tomorrow is a Sunday? तो आज Tuesday है ना? This session happened on Tuesday. What is the probability कि कल Sunday होगा? Impossible. The probability is 0. It can never be a Sunday after a Tuesday. काश Sunday होता, right? So probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by the total possible outcomes. यहाँ पे हम एक क्वेश्चन देखेंगे where I'm going to teach you about the deck of cards, है ना? So these are all the cards that you have: diamonds, clubs, hearts and spades. तो आज आपने क्या सीखा हरिप्रिया मैम की क्लास में? पत्ते कैसे खेलना है, ठीक है? So what do you have? You have a diamond, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of them will be the same in all of them. It's just that the color will change. तो red color क्या क्या है? Diamonds and hearts. Black color क्या क्या है? Clubs and spades, है ना? And these J, Q, K, they are called as face cards. What are they called? Face cards. Why? Because they have faces on them. Jack का face है, Queen का face है, King का face है. So they are called as face cards. तो यहाँ पे 3 face cards रहेंगे हर एक टाइप में, ठीक है? Diamonds, clubs, hearts and spades में 3 face cards रहेंगे, right? Apart from that, there is ace, there is 1 letter card here, and then we have numbers from 2 to 10. Now you answer this question. If a card is picked from the deck of cards, कितने deck of cards है? Actually, when you go back and see here, you have 13 here, 13 here, 13 here, and 13 here. So totally there are 52 cards. कितने हैं? 52 cards है totally. So if you pick, what is the probability of you getting a red-faced cards? मतलब Jack, Queen, King, which are red in color. मतलब it can be hearts, it can be diamonds also. So you tell me what is the probability. You tell me. It's not 3 by 52. No. You're forgetting about the diamonds. Exactly. Charvi got it right. It's not 3 by 52. Abhinav got it right. Alaknanda got it right. Exactly. It is 6 by 52. Why 6 by 52? Because ये देखो red face cards 1, 2, 3, again 4, 5, 6. These are also red. Your heart is also red. Your diamond is also red. So totally there are 6 face cards out of 6 red face cards out of the 52 cards that you have. So it is 6 by 52, right? So I'm going to tell you the homework question, but before that, I know a lot of people want to join me on the micro courses on the Vedantu platform, right? So if you want to join and gain 100% knowledge, I am going to tell you a very easy method to join and what all you will be getting once you join us. So if you are a student who is facing doubts, who is facing the following problems, you have doubts, but then there's nobody to clarify. You have no conceptual clarity. You need more questions and assignments. You're lagging behind in your syllabus. Looking for a revision plan, preferring to study in Hindi over English. अगर आपको हिंदी में ज़्यादा समझ आता है, अगर आप ये problems face कर रहे हो, तो you have come to a right place, which is Vedantu. Because Vedantu में जो pro subscription अभी चालू जो शुरू होने वाला है, नया बैच शुरू होने वाला है, from the beginning. मेरा बैच शुरू होगा 19th of July for 6th, 7th and 8th standard. You can use my coupon code YHPRO and come to this batch. ठीक है? प्रीमियम बैचेस भी शुरू हो रहे हैं जहां पे बस 15 बच्चे रहेंगे. Only 15 students will be there, so the interaction will be more. ICSE batch is also starting for 6th, 7th and 8th grade. And if you are taking it for 1 year, बहुत ही प्रॉफिट होगा अगर आप 1 साल का ले रहे हो. क्यों? क्योंकि we will be giving you VIP, Vedantu Improvement Promise. तो यहाँ पे when you join Vedantu, we will conduct one test. When you're leaving Vedantu, we will conduct another test. यहाँ पे if there is no improvement, then आपके पैसे आपको वापस मिल जाएंगे. बट हम ये बोल रहे हैं, इस दावे के साथ हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि इम्प्रूवमेंट जरूर होगा. बट रिमेंबर 75% ऑफ classes you have to attend and 75% of the tests you have to do. अगर ये आपने कर लिया तो इम्प्रूवमेंट जरूर होगा, which is a win-win for you. अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हुआ तो आपके कोर्स फी आपको वापस मिल जाएगा. We will not even keep a single rupee. We will give you all the course fee back. So ये applicable है only if you take for 1 entire year. और सस्ता भी पड़ता है कोर्स 1 entire year के लिए. EMI पे भी आप पे कर सकते हो. So there are unlimited live classes. तो YouTube पे live classes बहुत less frequency पे होता है, शाम को बहुत कम होते हैं, है ना? तो वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म पे सुबह के 9 बजे से लेकर रात के 10 बजे तक you will be having AM to PM. You will be having all the classes. मैथ्स, साइंस, जनरल नॉलेज, इंग्लिश, एवरीथिंग, सोशल, सब कुछ होगा सुबह से 9 बजे से लेकर रात के 10 बजे तक। इसके साथ साथ आपको इंटरैक्टिव रिप्लेस भी मिलेंगे जो यूट्यूब पे नहीं होगा। यूट्यूब पे व्हेन यू आर मिसिंग अ लाइव क्लास, यू आर मिसिंग अ लाइव मेंटी, राइट? यू कांट compete in a mentee, your name will not be on the mentee leaderboard अगर आपने लाइव सेशन मिस कर दिया। पर हमारे वेदांतु के प्लेटफॉर्म में इवन इफ यू मिस आउट अ लाइव क्लास, यू कैन रीडू इट अगेन, यू कैन रीडू द क्विजेस अगेन। ये देखो आपका, ये है मेरा कल का लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन वन वेरिएबल ग्रेड 8 का रीप्ले सेशन, रीप्ले, जहां पे आप क्विजेस फिर से कर सकते हो। यू कैन सबमिट योर आंसर्स अगेन, योर नेम्स विल बी डिस्प्लेड ऑन द लीडर बोर्ड लाइक दिस, या ऑन द फास्टेस्ट फिंगर्स लिस्ट नेम डिस्प्ले होगा, whoever got it right उनका नेम हाईलाइट होगा। So click on this try alternate replay, you can redo the quizzes again, your name will be again on the leaderboard and a lot of amazing things like this, right? तो इसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे देखना 160 doubts were asked during the class and the total doubts solved were 160. Imagine guys, all the doubts are being solved during the class. तो ये मैं अकेले नहीं कर सकती, तो मेरे साथ साथ देयर आर क्लास टीचर्स हु आर योर डाउट एक्सपर्ट्स हु विल बी डीलिंग विथ ऑल योर डाउट्स, राइट? सो आपको सिर्फ एक क्लास टीचर, एक टीचर नहीं मिल रहा है, आपको 3 या 4 टीचर मिलेंगे। तो हियर यू कैन वॉच द रीप्ले, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन ट्राई ऑल्टरनेट रीप्ले, यहाँ पे यू कैन डू द क्विजेस अगेन इवन इफ यू मिस्ड आउट ऑन द क्लास। आपको ऐसा स्केड्यूल होगा, देखो मेरा स्केड्यूल है, ऐसे ही आपका भी स्केड्यूल होगा। एंड once you go to past sessions, you can watch the replay, you can get the notes also. तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशंस के नोट्स आपको मैं दिखा देती हूँ कल का विथ प्रूफ, ठीक है? हैंड रिटन नोट्स होगा वेयर द टीचर इज एक्सप्लेनिंग, कंटेंट में भी होगा। कल हमने किया था वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन लीनियर इक्वेशंस, तो यू कैन सी हैक्स दैट वी टेल यू, लीनियर इक्वेशंस के वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, हैंड रिटन नोट्स ऑफ द मास्टर टीचर, उसके साथ साथ सॉल्यूशन भी होगा। A lot of things, a lot of homework देंगे हम लोग, lot नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा होमवर्क दे देंगे, नोट होगा। बेसिकली what you can do is, जब आपका एग्जाम होगा you can refer to these notes, क्योंकि सॉल्यूशन भी प्रिंटेड है, सॉल्यूशन है, एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया गया है, इन डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन, आपको सेशन के रिप्लेस मिल जाएंगे, एवरीथिंग। सो हाउ डू यू गेट दिस? You can go to any of my video, this video also in the description box, यहाँ पे एक लिंक होगा वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन, क्लिक द लिंक बिलो एंड अवेल 10% डिस्काउंट। तो जब आप क्लिक करोगे यू विल रीच दिस वेरी अमेजिंग वेबसाइट, यू कैन चेंज योर ग्रेड। अगर आपको 7th क्लास का लेना है तो ले लेना, CBSE, ICSE, यू वांट टू लर्न कोडिंग, महाराष्ट्र, कुछ भी। अगर आपको 8th क्लास के लिए है तो देयर इज 3 years फाउंडेशन, नीट और जेई का फाउंडेशन है, बेसिक होगा CBSE, है ना? तो यहाँ पे 3 कोर्सेज है आपके, प्रो लाइट, प्रो क्लासिक एंड प्रो प्रीमियम। तो प्रो लाइट में जो मैंने आपको बताया, लाइव इंटरैक्टिव क्लासेस, टेस्ट सीरीज एंड असाइनमेंट्स, देन वी हैव एनालिसिस आफ्टर टेस्ट ऑल्सो कि कहाँ गलती गया आपका और कैसे इंप्रूव हो सकता है, फ्री डाउनलोडेबल नोट्स, डाउट सॉल्विंग ड्यूरिंग द क्लास। अगर आपको लगता है कि मैम डाउट सॉल्विंग तो आफ्टर द क्लास भी हमें चाहिए, तो आप क्लासिक सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लेना। तो यू कैन ट्राई इट आउट फॉर 1 month, हियर इज वेयर यू कैन यूज माई कूपन कोड। अगर आप कूपन कोड निकाल दोगे थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएगा। If you apply my coupon code YHPRO, then you will be getting an instant of 19% discount. तो आप 1 साल का भी ले सकते हो, जहाँ पे आपको मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में पे करना पड़ेगा। You don't have to pay 24,000 all at once. You will be paying monthly installment. और इस अमाउंट में आपको ये सब मिल रहा है, गाइडेंस मिल रहा है, मेंटरिंग मिल रहा है, जो यूट्यूब पे नहीं हो सकता है। You will be interacting with your favorite master teachers. और इस कोर्स में you will not only get my courses, you will be getting all the teachers. सुरभि मैम, नवमिता मैम, प्रीतेश सर, मोहन सर, फिरदौस मैम, प्रिया मैम, सबके आपको क्लासेस मिल जाएंगी। एंड प्रीमियम में you will be only having 15 students, so the interaction will be more. You will also have a personal mentor. Click on personal mentor. This video will help you help you understand कि कैसे एक personal mentor आपको help करेंगे, है ना? So all this will be there at a very low cost. Actually इतना सब कुछ मिल रहा है आपको, guidance, mentoring, time table already set है। जनरल नॉलेज भी होगा अपार्ट फ्रॉम दी रेगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स. तो वेदांतु में वी आर नॉट टेलिंग कि सिर्फ मार्क्स में फोकस करेंगे हम. वी विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन द टोटल ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. Here you can also compete a healthy competition with students throughout the world. ये हो गया मेरा वीडियो कॉल, जो मैं वीडियो कॉल सेशन पे करती हूँ. आई टेक वीडियोज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब वीडियो कॉल पे आई टेक देम एंड वी कैन टॉक टू ईच अदर एंड लॉट ऑफ अमेजिंग थिंग्स. या वी डू लॉट ऑफ दिस थिंग. यस, पे लेस गेट मोर. प्रीमियम फ्री डाउनलोडेबल नोट्स होंगे आपके पास विच यू कैन रेफर टू बिफोर योर एग्जाम्स. एंड क्लास में डाउट सॉल्विंग मैंने दिखा दिया है. 160 डाउट्स वर आस्क्ड, 160 doubts were clarified also during the class. Unlimited micro courses तो आपको मिलेंगे for free. उसके साथ साथ अभी pro exclusive micro courses है which you will get only if you take the pro subscription, right? इसमें सबके micro courses, सारे teachers के आपको micro courses मिल जाएंगे. So see, all your problems are solved. Doubt solving, test and assignments आपको मिल जाएंगे. Weak understanding of concepts will be clarified once your doubts are clarified. Doubts अगर हो गया तो बस हो गया. Then you will be having notes for free, revision plan, language problem भी हो गया. अगर आपको हिंदी में सीखना है तो आप हिंदी में सीखो, इंग्लिश में करना है तो इंग्लिश में कर लेना. Whatever language you're comfortable with, right? So remember, the more classes you do, the less amount you're paying. You're paying less than ₹10 per class. तो क्या देरी है? Immediately click on the link in the description box or in the pinned comments and use my coupon code to come meet me on the Vedantu platform, right? So coupon code डालना मत भूलना. अगर coupon code नहीं डालोगे थोड़ा expensive हो जाएगा, right? So let's move forward with the Menti. मेरा बैच शुरू हो रहा है बच्चा. My batch is starting from 19th of July for 6th, 7th and 8th grade. Grab the opportunity right now. शुरू हो गया actually. So make sure you're not missing even a single class and come. Okay? YHPRO is the coupon code you have to use. So let us get started. And thank you so much again for 500K. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. And here is the Menti code. www.menti.com 78590588. Come on. Join me on Menti. I'm waiting. 78590588. It's quiz time, everyone. I want all the 196 students watching to come meet me on the Menti. Yes, Suhani, I loved it. क्लास 7th के प्रिया माइक्रो कोर्सेज होंगे, आप वेबसाइट पे चेक कर लेना. अभी शायद से शुरू होने वाला है रैशनल नंबर्स का और डेटा हैंडलिंग का. आई गेस हाँ, माइक्रो कोर्स शुरू हो रहा है तो आप एनरोल कर लेना. YHPRO इज द कूपन कोड दैट यू हैव टू यूज फॉर द सब्सक्रिप्शन. ठीक है? तो यूट्यूब पे क्या होता है, मेंटी वी डू इट आफ्टर एवरीथिंग, बट ऑन द वेदांतु प्लेटफॉर्म वी डू मेंटी आफ्टर एवरी टॉपिक. After every topic you will be having quizzes. So that's an amazing thing again. So let's start the Menti, and here is your first question on your screens. बहुत ही easy peasy questions है. In a bar graph, if the scale on y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 4 units, then how many units will be 5 centimeters? 1 unit is 4 centimeters. So 5 centimeters is how many units? Do we get Sana Ma'am's course also? Everybody's Aishwarya. सबके courses मिल जाएंगे. जो भी 6 to 8 में पढ़ा रहे हैं सबके आपको micro courses, full long term courses सब मिल जाएंगे for free, है ना? So majority of you have got it right. 55%. It is 20. 1 centimeter is 4 units. 5 centimeters will be 5 into 4, 20. Let us look at the leaderboard here. Agent X9, Casper, Tweeto, Ambril, Sakura, Boti. क्या नाम लगा रखा है? Barefoot, Ronald. Then we have Marvick and Elsa. Good job, everyone. नाम कहाँ गए आपके? Where's the name? Oh, I had to wait for the names. I am so sorry. Tweeto is me. Okay, okay. Chalo. Here's the second question. Double bar graph mainly comprises of data of two events. True or false? Double bar graph mainly comprises of two sets of data. True or false? Easy peasy tha ye. Exactly. 93% of you got it right. Double bar graph mein we take two different events, two different sets. Dil se bulaya, Ashutosh Aya is here. That's amazing. And we have Sampurna, Ashutosh, Samarth, Elsa, Varsha, Bhaskar, Akshara, Ayana, Siona, and Rohit. Let's move forward with the third question on your screens. Yes, you can ask doubts, Surya. Guys, if there's any doubts, put it in the comment section. I'll try to reply. If the lower limit of the class is 12 and the upper limit is 25, what is the class size? Prince Gupta, definitely I'll try to get micro courses for ICSE also, I promise. What is the code? 78590588. So guys, upper limit minus lower limit. 25 minus 12 will give you the class size, your class width. Let's look at the leaderboard here. Shravya, please try to watch the session replay. You will get to know what is a double bar graph. We have Samarth, then we have Unmesh Reddy, Ayan, Shriyam, Yash, Rohit, Charvi, Varsha, Ranjini, and Nandan. Let's move forward with the next question on your screens. In a pie chart, the angle subtended by a sector at the center is 72 degree. What is the percentage? Represent it in percentage. 72 degree out of 360 degree. You have to convert that into percentage. So we know we have to, if you want to convert anything into percentage, you multiply by 100. It's an easy question. Calculations बहुत ही easy है if you know the tables. Prince, I'll definitely try this year. Don't worry, okay? And the timer is starting. Two, one. That is a time up, and only few people have got it right. It is 20%. Guys, you have to do 72. Let me just explain it here. So it is 72 divided by 360 multiplied by 100%. 0, 0 cancel. 36 into 1, 36 into 2 is 72. So 2 into 10 is 20%. So only 20% is covered by 72 degree. So whenever degree is given like that, divide by the total, which is 360 degree, multiply by 100% because we are converting that into percentages. Okay. So the leaderboard is going to change drastically now. Only few people could get this right, I guess. And we have Samarth, Yash, Charvi, Ranjini, Shriyansh, Alaknanda. Thank you and love you too. Ashutosh, Sri, Bhaskar and Tanmay. Let's move forward with the next question on your screens right now. If a pie chart represents 800 units of bulbs delivered, how many bulbs will be in the semicircle? One entire circle is representing 800 units. Half the circle will represent how many units? Hi Bhavna. Yes, 500 completed, 500k, 500,000. Exactly, it is 400. Half of 800 is 400 because it's half a circle, semicircle. Good job everyone. Hi Lakshmi Nanda. Let's look at the leaderboard and we have Samarth, Yash, Charvi, Ranjini, Alaknanda, Shriyansh, Shri, Bhaskar, Divyani and Tanmoy. And here we go with the next question on your screens. Anshika, your comments are visible. What is the probability of picking a black card from the deck of cards. Black card. मैंने बताया clubs and spades are black cards. 13 and 13. So what is the probability? Think and give your answer. You don't know about cards? Jashwant, I explained about cards in the session. बच्चा, try to watch the replay again. मैंने cards के बारे में बताया, different types क्या है, face cards क्या है, मैंने सब बताया. And let's see, only 23% got it. Black cards, 13 are spade and 13 are clubs. 13 plus 13 is 26 out of 52 cards. So 26 by 52 is 1 by 2, not 1 by 52. It's 26. There are 26 different ways you can get a black card. Again, the leaderboard is going to change drastically here. We have Charvi leading. Oh my God, all the time. Charvi, I'm super proud of you. Then we have Alaknanda, Bhaskar, Samar, Akshara, Yash, Ranjini, Shriyansh, Vignesh, and Shri. Here we go with the next question and the last question on your screens. If the probability of rainfall on Wednesday is 0.5, then what will be the probability of no rainfall on Wednesday? So if I ask you, you will say शायद होगा, शायद नहीं होगा. 50-50% chance. So if 0.5% is the probability that it will happen, then what is the probability that it will not happen? Hi Deepak Tomar. No problem, Geeta. Okay, Jashwant, I'll wait. Exactly, 35% of you got it right. It is 0.5 because 0.5 plus 0.5 will be 1. Okay, so it's an equal chance of happening. It might rain, it might not rain. ऐसा नहीं है कि आधा rain होगा, आधा rain नहीं होगा. There's no other way. Either it will rain in a day, yeah, it will not rain in a day. So there are equal chances of it happening. Amazing, Anshika. Amazing. We'll see you in my long-term classes from Thursday. And we have Charvi winning the leaderboard again. Good job, Charvi, and everyone who has won the leaderboard. All of you have done a great work. So don't forget to enroll for the Pro subscription for Pro exclusive micro courses. The link is there in the description box and you can use the code YHPRO. मैंने आपको क्या क्या pros मिलेंगे आपको मैंने सब बता दिया है. So do join me on the Vedantu app. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram if you have an account. haripriya.vedantu. ठीक है? So this is the homework. Comment 2 events in which the probability of happening is less than 0.5. For example, it will rain today. The probability that it will rain today is less than 0.5 because it is very sunny. है ना? So like that, you tell me 2 events. Let me see how many of you come up with different answers. Put it in the comment section, right? So no problem, Anshika. We will try to change this 11 a.m. ka session. Don't worry. So, okay. See you all in the next class with a new chapter, squares and square roots, which is going to happen very soon. And Wednesday को 2 p.m. Pokemon versus Beyblade का एक session भी हो रहा है, तो आ जाना live menti पे. See you in the next class. Bye.